let's prove 4 equal to 2 or 2 equal to 4. Which way you see this? This is a little fun in mathematics. So to do this, first what you have to do, first we take let's assume a equal to b equal to 2. This is our assumption. So with this assumption we can write some mathematical identity. क्या है? So this is a square minus b square equal to, I can write 2a minus 2b. So under this assumption, this identity is correct because left hand side equal to right hand side. If you put the value of a and b equal to 2, so left hand side will be 0 and right hand side will be 0. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this is called a mathematical identity. Now from here what I can write, I can expand this a square minus b square formula, you know, in mathematics, a plus b into a minus b. So that will be equal to, in the right side we take a 2 common, so you'll get a minus b. Now you cancel a minus b and a minus b from the left hand and right hand side. So ultimately you get a plus b equal to 2. Now again we'll put the value of a and b. Here we have assumed implies 2 plus 2 will be equal to 2, implies 4 equal to 2. So proved, hence proved 4 equal to 2. Now let me tell you, in this proof, in one of the steps I have committed a mistake, a mathematical mistake. In which step I committed the mistake, you have to find out and let me know in the comment section, right? So let's I name this, this is the assumption and this is the identity. Let's I name this step 1, this is step 2, okay, this is step 3, this is step 4, this is step 5, this is step 6, which gives the final result. So you have to write in the comment in which step I committed the mistake to reach this conclusion where 4 is equal to 2. This is not correct. Mathematically this is not correct. But again I proved mathematically that this is correct. Right? So I have committed some mistake in some steps. In what step I have committed mistake, you have to write below in the comment. And I will tell you in the next video where I committed the mistake. If you are right, hope you like this video. अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा है, चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. बाय बाय.